Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm your name, and today we're diving into something super exciting, how you can make money in 2025. Yeah, you heard that right. Whether you're looking to start a side hustle or go all in on a full-time gig, we're going to talk about the best niches to get into. So grab a snack, hit that like button, and let's jump into it. So, why 2025? Well, the world is changing fast. With technology advancing at lightning speed, new opportunities are popping up every day. But the key is knowing where to focus your energy. You don't want to waste time chasing trends that will be gone tomorrow. That's why I've got you covered with some evergreen niches that are going to keep you ahead of the curve. First up, we've got tech and artificial intelligence. Now, I know this sounds a little futuristic, but trust me, AI is here to stay, and it's going to take over a lot of industries. Think about this. Companies are looking for experts in machine learning, automation, and AI-driven solutions. Now, don't panic. You don't need a PhD in computer science to make money in this space. Content creation, tutorials, and online courses about AI, chatbots, or even AI-powered tools are in demand. Want to make money? Start by teaching people how to use the latest AI apps or review AI tools. You could also create YouTube tutorials or write blogs. The world is your oyster. Next up, let's talk about something that's close to my heart: sustainable living and eco-friendly products. With climate change being a major issue, people are looking for ways to live more sustainably. In fact, the global green market is expected to grow massively by 2025. You can tap into this by creating content around eco-friendly products, sustainable fashion, or green energy solutions. You could even start a niche store selling reusable items, like bamboo toothbrushes or eco-friendly clothing. I mean, who doesn't want to make money while saving the planet, right? Alright, I know you've heard of this one, but remote work and freelancing is still going strong in 2025. Thanks to the rise of platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and even new sites popping up, there's never been a better time to offer your skills from anywhere in the world. Whether you're into writing, design, digital marketing, or video editing, there's a demand for talent. You don't even need to live in a big city anymore. Work from anywhere, set your own hours, and make money doing what you love. You can even teach others how to break into freelancing by offering online courses or mentorship programs. Now, this one's been trending for a while, but it's not going anywhere. Health and wellness. People are more health conscious than ever, and they're looking for ways to improve their lives. Whether it's fitness, nutrition, mental health, or stress management, this niche is huge. You could create YouTube content around workout routines, meal prep tips, or mental health awareness. There's also a massive demand for personalized fitness programs or wellness coaching. Want to make money? Start a podcast, a blog, or even a subscription service where you offer health tips. Alright, time for a classic: digital marketing and e-commerce. If there's one thing that's not going out of style, it's the internet. In fact, e-commerce is growing like crazy, with more people shopping online than ever before. That means tons of opportunities for you to dive into. You can help businesses with social media marketing, run paid ads, or even start your own online store. Whether it's drop shipping, print on demand, or creating your own products, digital marketing skills are in high demand. Teach others how to build their brand online or start your own affiliate marketing business. There's big money here. So there you have it, folks. These are some of the best niches for making money in 2025. The key is to focus on something you're passionate about, and that has long-term potential. But remember, there's no one-size-fits-all. The best niche is the one that suits you. If you like this video, make sure to hit that like button, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more content like this. Drop a comment below and let me know which niche you're thinking of diving into. I'd love to hear from you. See you in the next one.